Cressida and Michael Cains from Pecora Dairy in Roberston, New South Wales, and we're sheep dairy producers and cheesemakers.
Pecora Dairy is a single source farmhouse cheese making operation. What does that mean? That means that everything is done on site. We look after the pastures, milk our animals, and we turn it all into benchmark Australian cheeses on our one beautifully green property here in Roberston.
So we milk East Frisian dairy ewes, which are originally from the Netherlands, and they're very happy in our beautiful high rainfall area of Roberston. And they're the girls, they're the stars behind our really beautiful benchmark used milk cheeses that we make.
Pecora Dairy is very proud that we're energy positive. We've got 100 solar panels, 60 kilowatt hours of batteries, and we also trade that energy amongst our sites and with other like-minded farmers. We hope that that is going to be a benchmark for further disruption in the agricultural space, because farmers really do need to be part of the solution rather than part of the problem. For us, the President's Medal is something that we have aspired to since the very day we started on our journey of Pecora Dairy. We take pride in our animal stewardship, in our conservation, in our work to try and be part of the solution to climate change, and also giving back to our communities. In all that we do, we believe we have a multifunctional farm that's more than just about producing a delicious piece of cheese. And it's why the President's Medal is something that is so dear to our heart, and it would be the greatest privilege of our careers to have won it.